Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust car headlights easily. First, park your vehicle on a flat surface, facing a wall about 25 feet away. Make sure your tires are properly inflated and your fuel tank is at least half full. This ensures a consistent vehicle stance. Also, confirm your headlight lenses are clean and free from damage before you begin any adjustments. This simple preparation is crucial for accurate results. Next, let's mark your target on the wall. Measure the exact height from the ground to the center of each headlight. Transfer these measurements to the wall, drawing a horizontal line for each headlight. Then, find the center of your car and mark a vertical line on the wall directly in front of it. These lines will serve as your precise reference points for adjustment. Now, let's tackle the vertical aim. Find the vertical adjustment screws, typically located on the headlight assembly itself. Using a screwdriver, turn the screw to lower the headlight beam. The top edge of the brightest part of the beam should sit about 2 inches below the horizontal line you marked. Adjust each headlight individually, ensuring they are both correctly positioned for optimal visibility. Finally, we'll adjust the horizontal aim. Locate the horizontal adjustment screws, which are usually close to the vertical ones. Turn these screws to move the beam left or right. The brightest part of your headlight beam should align perfectly with the vertical center line you drew. Make sure both headlights are aimed straight forward, preventing them from crossing or diverging, which could blind oncoming drivers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.